In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do progress billing in QuickBooks Online. Progress billing can be an essential tool for businesses managing long-term projects where you invoice customers incrementally rather than all at once. This allows you to better track payments and project milestones, ensuring your cash flow remains healthy throughout the job. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the Settings menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list filled with various options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. Think of this section as your command center, granting access to all the necessary configuration options you'll need along the way. Inside the Account and Settings menu, your next port of call is the Sales section. This is the crucial area where we'll enable the Progress Invoicing feature. By default, Progress Invoicing is not switched on, so you will need to manually activate it. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. You'll find a toggle switch that controls this feature. Simply flick it to the On position to enable Progress Invoicing for your account. Once you've turned on Progress Invoicing, don't overlook the importance of saving these changes. Saving them ensures that all the adjustments you've made will apply to any future invoices you generate. Thankfully, the Save button is conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. A quick click secures all your new settings. Once saving is complete, you can confirm your changes and exit the Settings menu by clicking Done. Now you're ready to create your very first Progress invoice. To do this, navigate to the top left of the screen and select New. From the drop-down options that appear, choose Invoice. The next step involves adding your customer details. Enter the relevant information to associate this invoice with the correct project. Once you've selected or added a new customer, click Add to include them in this invoice process. Moving on, it's time to adjust the payment rate for this invoice. Adjusting the rate allows you to specify the percentage or the amount of the total project that you are invoicing. This step is crucial as it directly impacts your cash flow and also ensures client transparency about the project's financial progress. Once you're certain that everything is set up accurately, click the Save button. This action finalizes the creation of your progress invoice, making it ready to be sent to the customer whenever you deem it necessary. Congratulations! You have successfully set up and generated a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. Using progress billing helps in maintaining a steady income during lengthy projects, streamlining the financial management of your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.